Are you satisfied? Good look TV tonight. This is Rush Shiloh, keeping it loud.
Yeah, people, so today, Christmas Day, I gotta have a Christmas dinner. Stay tuned and see what I go on. Christmas dinner. Yeah, see Christmas table there. Looking lovely. So we are gonna see if the food match the table. See there? Gift on the tree. Gift on the tree for the kids there. Yeah, see it at Christmas breakfast. Fried dumpling. And what this I get ready? Oh, the saltfish I get ready. Saltfish and bubble. I'm going to do this shit now. You don't take the fish. So pineapple juice, strawberry. Living the life. People, we're going to the evening segment and all. So the chicken I get deal with that thing. Something in a pressure cooker over there, pressure. See, everybody has to deal with the season and thing. The evening segment. So now meanwhile, we are going to beat up some liquor. You see me? Yeah. Them said the rum I come from Barbados, you know. So far it a drink smooth. And we have the Appleton here, so. You see me? So evening segment with the people, so. Stay tuned for the dinner. You see me? I say Christmas dinner. Mac and cheese ready. Potato salad there, sir. Looking lovely. Chicken there, sir. Oh, well looking. Yummy. Yeah. Cake there, sir. Dessert settings, you know. And you have the ham over here, so I'm not to touch a piece. I'm still in a piece. You see me? Nothing. That's a red meat. Me not touching it. You see me? So you know the chicken and the goat. You never work with me. You see me? So the thing say. That is it. Alright people, so the meal, yeah? You look like you know.